Hello everybody, I'm Kurosh from English Global. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about money and banking vocabulary in English. We plan to cover more than 60 related words related to banking. This episode is the second one. Are you ready? If so, let's go. Okay, let's continue with number 21. Debit card. Debit card refers to a card for paying purposes. It deducts the amount of money directly from your checking account. Do you remember in the past we talked about checking account? It is also called check cards or bank cards. Debit card can be used to purchase goods, services, and so on, as well as to withdraw cash from an ATM. Debit payments. What does it mean? When you hear that your bank account is debited, it implies that money is withdrawn from your account to make a payment. Default sounds familiar, but what does it mean in banking? Refers to the situation in which a borrower stops making required payments on a debt. Then a default occurs. Here we have debt. B is silent here. Deposit refers to a process that you put an amount of money into your bank account. The deposits can be made to deposit accounts. For example, saving accounts, checking accounts, and money market accounts at any financial institutions. Direct debit, or in British English, direct, refers to an arrangement between you and your bank. Accordingly, you do authorize a third party to transfer money from your bank account on a previously agreed dates, for example, the beginning of each month. You may use it for paying bills, subscriptions, etc. and etc. Direct deposit or direct. What does it mean? Refers to an action that deposit of funds is proceeded into a bank account electronically rather than through a physical or paper check. Discount refers to a reduction offered from the gross amount or value of something. You can see here gross. Gross means in total. E-check. A digital version of a paper check is known as an electronic check. It is also referred to as online check, internet check, and direct debit. E-check uses the automated clearing house ACH to direct debit from a customer's checking account into a merchant's business bank account with the help of payment processor. Here you have something new, merchant. Merchant is a person that is doing business, selling and buying. E-commerce. E-commerce in short refers to electronic commerce. It is, it is a business activity of buying and selling goods and services on the internet. E-payment. E-payment is an electronic or digital way of transferring funds between buyer and seller or any financial institutions. Exchange rate. Exchange rate refers to the rate at which the currency of one country can be exchanged for the currency of another country. For example, the US dollar and euro. For sale. That simply implies available to buy. Fortune. Fortune refers to a large amount of money, goods, property, etc. and etc. Have you ever heard make a fortune? What does it mean? Please let us know in the comment section. Interest. Here E is silent and T is followed by R. Therefore, it sounds as ch, interest. We have a separate video for that. Interest refers to the monetary charge for borrowing money. It is generally expressed as a percentage, for instance, an annual percentage rate, APR. Interest rate. The interest rate is the amount a lender charges a borrower. It is based on an agreed percentage of the principal amount of a loan. Investment. According to Cambridge Dictionary, the act of putting money, effort, time, etc. into something to make a profit or get an advantage, or the money, effort, time, etc. used to do this is called investment. As a verb, it's called to invest. Invoice. It's easy, isn't it? Invoice refers to a statement either in digital or paper format. It lists the provided goods and or services and of course their prices. It is used in business as a record of sale. It's not record. Record. Lend. That's also easy. To give something such as money to someone or an organization for a specific period. Then it is expected from the lender's perspective that the borrower should give it back. If it is done by a financial institute, an extra amount of interest is charged. Loan refers to amount of money that is borrowed, for instance, from a bank. Housing loan. Okay, the final one. Money order. What does it mean? A money order is a safe alternative to cash or a personal check, usually issued by government or banking institution. That works similarly to a check. A money order can be cashed or deposited into a bank account. According to Investopedia. For more information, you may please visit their website. Okay, that's the end of video. We hope you're learning something new. See you soon. Bye bye.